Our trading pros are good to go for Top That Trade. Joining us now, Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor, and Alan Nuckman, an options trading pro. Here we go, guys. You're in a good mood. Round number one, short squeeze. The CEO of Tesla says that people who are shorting the stock are going to blow up in that trade. How do you ride Tesla?
Blow up or spontaneously combust?
Oh, that's terrible.
Could have been either one, right?
Elon Musk has something up his sleeve, and it's this short squeeze. So he talked about this in the last couple of weeks. Now, this is a stock that was going from 275 to 300 for 2 months. That targeted 325, got there within a couple of days. That's what happens when everybody's short a stock and they have to buy it back. Now it's at 375 and more, closing in on those all-time highs.
The problem with Tesla is the world is not convinced what kind of company this is. Is it a car company or is it a technology company? If it is a car company, and indeed a lot of the critics say it is,
then
they
it
are
be valued this way.
They're in really big trouble if you look at their balance sheet because they're burning cash like crazy. They are burning cash like that car that
you're talking about fundamentals. What happens to these guys that were short this stock?
Right.
They can't ride through this. What are they supposed to do?
Right. They have blown up in Tesla, and you know me, I was a believer in Elon Musk. I'll tell you this. If you are a short seller, it's very dangerous, especially
because when that
with
squeeze comes, what do?
You're going to get squeezed.
Zipping on to round number two, uncertainty bull. Are you bullish on this unbelievable uncertainty in the market?
I'm wildly bullish on this. I'm bullish on America, and I think you see from the reactions in the market, from the early returns on the potential trade war that may happen or may not happen, is that the U.S. is going to probably do better than the other countries. And I think there is some evidence, at least based on market action,
muted reaction.
Right. Here in the U.S. But if what's happening in China, their markets are getting really beat up because of this trade warfare. They have a lot more to lose than we do.
We have a surplus when it comes to services. We're a service economy. We talk about the goods deficit all the time, but if you balance it out, it's a lot less. What I thought was interesting that I'm really bullish on is this uncertainty. I mean, for the last year and a half, I've never seen this level of uncertainty, but I'm very positive by the price action and how the markets have acted.
And in your round number three, Bitcoin break. There's an analyst out there who believes Bitcoin could break the internet. Are you biting?
First of all, I don't know how you break the internet. I thought the internet was a fad. It might be here for to stay.
Yeah, it might be. It was invented. Was it Al Gore invented it?
Internet.com.
Yes.
He provided the funding. That did the research. That yes, the Defense Department.
I think what they're getting at is that if everybody starts using blockchain technology, the
payment
technology
system
behind Bitcoin, it could overwhelm the system because every computer in the world that's on the system would have to verify a transaction. Therefore, it's called scalability. It's just too huge. It could bring down the internet.
They're saying that it'll use up too many servers, too much electricity, which I don't know. How is that different than right now? You have to scan your card. That uses electricity, doesn't it?
It does, but this is different.
And then it goes over the wires.
But your card doesn't have. There's one source that's verifying the transaction as opposed to 5 million.
Let's get to the Bitcoin price.
Right.
I think a bottom is starting to get in place here.
Ooh.
Everybody is so negative, and we've got a triple bottom just around the 6,000 level. So I think from a reward to risk standpoint, I think there's more upside potential here than unless it closes below 6,000, then I might get negative again.
Let's take it to your bonus round question for today. Summer is finally here. Can you spot the phony summer song? Is it summer wind, summer breeze, oh happy summer?
Happy Summer is the false one, but I could write lyrics to that.
Please don't.
I
will let him win if he
poetic.
I will let him win if he doesn't sing.
The answer is oh happy summer. Alan, you just let Phil win.
Ooh, thank you very much. Thank you.
But he doesn't sing.
Summer,
we all
everybody.
win because he doesn't sing.
Oh.
True enough. Stay tuned. Business First AM continues right after this.